This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about pizza boxes, specifically the Eco Pie pizza boxes we have here. They're available in 4 sizes, meaning you have great options no matter what kinds of pies you're making. We have the 10 3/4 here on top. And along with that, there is a 12.5, 14.5, and 16 1/4, meaning these are great for 10, 12, 14, and 16-inch pies. They come in 3 colors. You can see the newsprint. There's also a great craft with a green design accent and black with the craft accent, meaning you have lots of options to pick and choose from to kind of go with the branding and style of your establishment. One of the great features of these boxes is that the lids themselves encourage customers to cut them up into 4 sections once their pie is delivered and use those as paper plates, which helps to eliminate the need for those and reduce waste. So they have a fantastic eco-friendly vibe, which is great for any establishment looking to do an environmentally friendly pizza delivery service, making them an attractive option to step out your pizza delivery or takeout game. The sturdy craft paper boxes are grease-proof to help prevent messes and keep grease from soaking through, and also to help preserve your pies during delivery. They'll easily hold up the weight of thick crusts with lots of toppings, making them a fantastic choice, especially if you're doing deep dish pizzas. The boxes are recyclable, making them that perfect option for an eco-friendly establishment. It's easy to quickly assemble them, and they're shipped flat, which is a great space-saving storage option for you. Their great minimalistic designs mean that they're easy enough to add things like a stamp or a sticker to help you brand your boxes and let your pies do some advertising for you as they walk out the door. So these are a perfect option for any pizzeria or restaurant that's serving pizza, especially if you're doing orders for to-go or takeout.